Right, it's recording. Right, ready? Oh, beautiful ball. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you hit my phone. Yeah, then you'll be paying $1,050. Hey!
I don't like those balls.
What Yorkers? Go! You can see everything that we're doing.
Really?
Yeah, you can even see when I go up the ball. Put a bit of spin on that. Huh?
Another one and I'll slap it. We'll make it bounce it real short.
Whoop, 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 whoop! That would have been cool.
I'll try to slap it.
Alright, 2 balls to go and you gotta get 4 runs. Ready?
Yeah.
The camera's watching you. This beautiful day at the Amstel Millswell Oval. Ah! Single. Alright, last ball.
Yeah.
Right now it's coming to draw. What the fuck did you do to my phone?
I didn't touch it.
Hold it for this. Ready? Nah, it's not a run. Nice draw.